Hi everyone, hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into Vechain once again. Thank you for your continued support, okay? Really do appreciate it. Massive big up to the CoinsKid crew, okay? Thank you for your continued support. Honestly, it's amazing. If you're not already a subscriber to us on subscriber, or is it it's followers, isn't it, on Twitter? Then do head over to that. And also we've got an Instagram as well, and that's blowing up, so that's great as well. Get involved in the Instagram. All the links are on CoinsKid.com, and in each video description as well, there's a link to CoinsKid.com, the link section right there. But yeah, good luck to everybody involved in crypto right now. I wish everybody the utmost luck, and hopefully we are painting some beautiful reversal patterns at the moment. We do need Bitcoin to break out though, okay? Potentially what we're looking for Bitcoin is a rollback and a back test of support of that bear pennant, the triangle that it was in, the horizontal. It broke out as resistance. It now needs to backtest to support. And one thing that's making me feel quite confident, I'll be honest with you, I feel a bit confident, is the fact Cardano's done that. It's done exactly that. It's broken out of its resistance and it's backtested support and it's marching on. So is that a precursor? Should you look at Cardano and the alts to say, you know, if they're breaking out, then Bitcoin's going to follow suit this time round and sort of slowly catch up the market, so to speak. But we'll see. We don't know. No one's got a crystal ball. But what you do, you try and identify reversal signals, okay, reversal patterns. And like I've said to you in so many videos, you've got the ABC correction right here, not just for Vechain, for lots of projects across the board. They've gone through the ABC correction, and the art is knowing when you've found the end of the C wave, okay, and you're identifying those reversal patterns right there. And hopefully we have found them, and they're starting to form right now, and it's a big upside for continuation in this bull market right here. And we've got this correction over and done with for crypto, and obviously we've got a price appreciation and predictions up there for Vechain as well. So good luck everybody. It should hopefully roll into a nice summer. I've seen a lot of predictions that saying we're potentially going to pull back to 20k Bitcoin, and if we do, so be it. You know, it can't be helped, and it's part and parcel of this, unfortunately. But what we all want is just continuation, isn't it? And that would be really nice. But you've always got to have your guard on you. So do anticipate a potential pullback, obviously, across the board for cryptos. But so far, as long as these projects continue to create these reversal patterns and start to show form and a lot of volume as well, you do need to see the volume coming into these breaks, then it's looking good, okay? So again, keep an eye on Bitcoin, because it is all on Bitcoin, so to speak. If Bitcoin rolls over and shits to bed and goes to that deeper correction that a lot of people are anticipating, and it is a bit of a fake out in the markets right here, this is where you could see the roll in the market, okay, and sort of a double whammy correction, so to speak, for cryptos. And it would drive a lot of fear into market, wouldn't it? It would drive a hell of a lot of fear, but rest assured, from a technical analysis standpoint, Vechain is doing nothing wrong. It's bounced off support. It's forming these beautiful high lows. On the weekly, you're above the 20 EMA, and on any time frame, you need to be above the 20 EMA to be an uptrend. And right now, you've got the confirmation of that. It's a massive signal. So what I'm going to do is just quickly look at the daily time frame for Vechain right here. Okay, and let's look at the EMA for Vechain. So right now, you can see you've got the bearish cross, okay, and you've come back and you've hit your head on the 20 as resistance right there. But what you're doing today is really, really good, because you've come up and you actually got above the 20. Now, if you can stay above that and obviously get back above 55, you're beginning to make that reversal, okay, and obviously you've got the breakout target as well, which I will go with you through in a minute with you, okay, I'll show you that. But I just wanted to show you that so far so good, you're making progress, providing we don't smash our head into something and start to roll back. We're looking for continuation here for Vechain. And on the daily MACD, look at the MACD, the bullish cross on the MACD under the histogram, beautiful. Look at the RSI, like I've spoken to you about so many times. It came down to a beautiful level for continuation. There was no way up here, you know, you was completely overbought on the daily time frame. You was completely overbought. It was like a massive signal that you was going to roll over, and that was one of the key indicators were telling me you were going to have an ABC correction. And I remember posting about it. I got so many trolls and so much hate when it was up here, and I was saying, you know, potentially put some cheeky bids in down there on 0.9 cents, and lo and behold, it came, and it actually came a lot deeper than that, didn't it? We had that nasty wick down. But so far so good, you know, and providing we can break these levels right now, resistance, especially on the daily time frame, okay, if we start to get above the 55 and back test the support, see you later, alligator. This is a short-lived correction, and we're continuing with the bull run for Vechain right here. So what I'm going to do is just switch to the daily on a different chart and show you, okay. So looking at Vechain on the daily time frame, then I must apologise if I talk a little bit too much. I'm just trying to convey my point of view sometimes, and I do ramble on it, so I do apologise for that. But Vechain on the daily is looking relatively healthy. What you do need to see here, obviously, is break above and stay above this 20, which so far so good. You've got back above the 20. If we can see the day close out above that, then it's absolutely amazing for Vechain, okay? Because not only you're closing above the 20 on the daily time frame, you're also closing above a key level of resistance right there, okay? And it's this here, this particular level right there for Vechain, because like I've said to you, you're in a couple of patterns here. You've got this W bottom, which you're breaking resistance just there, because you've got the continuation reversal pattern just there for Vechain, okay? And not only that, you've got this ascending triangle pattern as well, which you're breaking out of. So it's just fantastic. It's brilliant. It's progress, okay? And these are the reversal patterns that we look for to determine the end of this C wave. Do you see that? So it's golden for continuation, and one thing we need to see for continuation is get the close above this level today for Vechain, okay? We need Bitcoin to hold strong. If it does roll back and holds that support, that resistance turning support of that horizontal, then you're looking golden for continuation across the board for cryptos, okay? And it's a big thumbs up. So let's stay positive, everybody, okay? Let's stay positive. So what I'm going to do right now is just dive into the hourly time frame for Vechain and see if we can see anything. So looking at Vechain on the hourly time frame, then you can see it's broken out of its level of resistance right here. It's gone up, it hit its head, and it's come back, and it's actually back tested it as support right now. So that's good. That's good for continuation, because this is a little bit of a bull pennant, okay? It looks a little bit of a bull pennant, and you may see a little bit of a breakout here and continuation for Vechain. So it's doing something like this. Do you see this? It's doing that, like that, boom. If it breaks that level of resistance there, put a cheeky little long in, okay, because you have got a nice little bit of upside for Vechain. Continuation, I'll show you exactly what that is right now, okay? So this particular bull pennant right there, you can see continuation right there for Vechain of around about, let's have a look. So you could see if it does break that level of resistance, you could be looking at an extra 10% upside for Vechain right there, and that would actually take you up to, and I'll drop that price prediction in for you right there, 15 cents roughly, okay? So it's a continuation pattern, okay? It's a bit of a bull pennant at the moment. So obviously if it does start to break down and loses this as support, then you're looking for a bounce off of 20 to remain in the uptrend right here. But you can see what it's doing since it's formed this bullish cross. This is the hourly time frame. Each time it goes up, it comes back down to the 20. It's bouncing off the 55, up, down, up, down. So if it does start to roll here and starts to fall out of this bull pennant as support, okay, and just start to go short, then do anticipate the 55 holding. And if you're not already involved in Vechain at that point, do place some cheeky bids on the 55 on the hourly, because you can see each time in this uptrend that it finds itself in, this is where it's finding support and its continuation, because it's broken out. Basically it's created this bottom pattern just here, okay, because they're all bottom patterns within patterns. Look, that's a W bottom, and as you know, you're fully aware that boom, that carried out. I don't even need to go into the technical analysis of that, because you can see that carried out, okay, on the hourly time frame right there. That's a bit of a bull flag. Do you see this? Just here you got that like that, and then you've got this particular way coming back on itself, ranging, and you can see effectively that from there, so there you can see, oh sorry, you can see that when it's broke out, it's gone up and it's met the target. Do you see that? So that's great. So it's continuation effectively. We're getting a lot of continuation patterns right here. This is another one, okay, this is another little bit of a bull flag. Look at this, where it starts to come back on itself like that. You see this? It looks bad, but it's bounced off support, and with that you can see that it broke that previous level there. You can see when it breaks it go long, but you can see it anyway. I don't need to draw the patterns. It's just continuation patterns right there for Vechain, and at the moment this is a bit of a bull pennant. You can see the continuation where you could go up to that 15 cents. So do anticipate that, you know, come to your charts, draw these lines, because if you do start to see Vechain break this level of resistance right here, then do put a cheeky long in, another 10% up trade for Vechain up to 15 cents. And you know what, if it does do that, you're getting above that 55 on the daily. You're looking mega bullish. You're looking like the reversals come into play here, and it's looking really, really good. Look, that would take you up above that 55. Do you see that? And then not only that, you've broken out of this 13 cents resistance just here. You're back testing the 55 as support, and you're going to look at continuing up to that there, because once you break resistance, you know, and back to the support, it's golden, and from there that's a 38% trade for Vechain. So it's looking relatively good, but we do need Bitcoin to behave, obviously, as you're fully aware. So it looks good. It looks good. Fingers crossed, everybody. We'll get this continuation right now for Vechain in this bull market. Take care, everyone. We'll be back tomorrow with an update on Vechain. Stay strong, stay healthy, stay tuned. Bye bye.